When the Constitution first hit the public, Americans had one big complaint. Where are our protections? They'd just fought a war against a king who abused every power he could grab, and they weren't about to sign onto a new government without guardrails. So in 1791, the first 9 amendments, the core of the Bill of Rights, were added to lock in the freedoms Americans refused to live without. The First Amendment protects 5 major freedoms: speech, press, religion, assembly, and petition. It's the amendment that lets Americans speak their mind, gather together, worship freely, and criticize the government without being tossed in a dungeon. It's the beating heart of a free society. The Second Amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms. Originally meant to ensure citizens could defend themselves and prevent the government from disarming local militias. The Third Amendment says soldiers can't be quartered in your home without permission, a direct slap at Britain's habit of treating colonial houses like free barracks. The Fourth Amendment protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. If the government wants to dig through your belongings, it needs a warrant and a good reason, not just curiosity or bad vibes. The Fifth Amendment covers due process, protects you from self-incrimination, bans double jeopardy, and lays out rules for indictments and property seizure. It is why you can say, "I plead the Fifth," and why the government cannot take your freedom or property without following the rules. The Sixth Amendment guarantees a fair criminal trial, a speedy public trial, an impartial jury, a lawyer, and the right to confront witnesses. No secret courts, no disappearing defendants. Justice has to be transparent. The Seventh Amendment upholds the right to a jury in certain civil cases, a protection rooted in English tradition and critical to the founders' idea of fairness. The Eighth Amendment bans excessive bail, excessive fines, and cruel and unusual punishment. It draws a line between justice and cruelty, a line the founders wanted government nowhere near. The Ninth Amendment closes the circle by saying the rights listed in the Constitution are near to the only rights people have. Just because something isn't written down doesn't mean the government gets to ignore it. These 9 amendments are the foundation of American liberty. They don't tell the government what it can do. They tell it what it absolutely cannot do. And that's exactly how the founders wanted it. If you enjoyed this trip down the rabbit hole, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart History for Dumb Times.